drippin', drip, drip. Came through drippin'. I'm the one that's killing shit, hands down. If you don't hear my line no more, I left that nigga on red, cause I felt like it. Dress me down in that rash and little orange jacket. Dapper.
What's up, everybody? It's your girl Flush CBBW.
And your girl Tatty Temples.
And we got a Brazy Besties. Alright, guys. I'm freaking dreading to let you guys know what the challenge we about to do. Like, and it's all her idea.
Okay, so what we got here for you today, our first time, we are going to be trying sardines and oil. Okay, now this is our first time. All right, then what we have.
What?
Tell them what you got here. The first one right there.
Oh, I don't want to do this, but
this is this is
guys.
filet mignon, dog food. Okay, there you go. Then we got chicken and beef with a meaty sauce.
I cannot believe we doing this right now.
Yummy. Then we got
But you know, we
grilled porterhouse steak flavored with potatoes, bacon, and cheese and sauce. Yummy.
Mind you, we are super freaking fat because we chose the names that would make more sense to us. It sounds like it's gonna be good. So
even though we know it's gonna be trash, but this is a sardine / dog food challenge. Okay.
all right.
So yeah, let's get it started. Let me drink some of my water first.
I'm not happy right now.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna open up. We're gonna open these things up. We're gonna open these things up. Hopefully there's juice. All right.
Why?
Hopefully there's juice. All right.
Why?
Wait, this is an actual fishtail?
Oh, I can't. No.
Ooh.
Ew.
Well, just like the fish market.
Could you show them what this look like? Because, like, this is not a joke. This is like we're really literally doing it.
Oh, shit.
No. Just bring it to the camera.
Oh. This, like...
Oh. I can't. I don't know if I could do this.
It's actually a fish. Oh, we just gonna eat it like this. You ready?
I don't know. Is it not cooked? The doodle.
The doodle. Hey, all you gotta do is take a little piece. The doodle.
Oh, hell no. Oh, hell no. No. Fuck this. I'm out.
Come on, you gotta do
wrong.
it. Come on, we gotta do it for
Oh, it stinks.
we gotta do it for our Brazy Mob. Brazy Mob, y'all ready for this? Come on,
Crazy
let's
mom.
go.
I don't know if your girl can do
Come
it.
on, man. Just take a little piece. And we gotta
I
eat
don't
it.
know. I ain't gonna make it do this, guy. Alright, guys.
So what I'm doing is take a little piece of this sardine. ready?
This
Count
for
to
you,
3.
Brazy Mom. This is
Right.
for you, Brazy.
1, 2.
Wait, I think I got doodle in I got a bone in mine. That's doodle for real. Alright. Oh.
Ready?
We gotta take it.
1. 3.
Ew.
It's alright. I just salty.
Ugh.
It's alright. I just salty.
Ugh. Nah. You know what?
I eat it though.
I wouldn't.
Alright,
I'm
finish.
done. I'm not ever eating this ever again.
I think if it was cooked, because it's a fish.
Eating this
If it
ever
was-
again.
I think if it was cooked, because it's a fish. I think if it was cooked, because it's a fish. If it was cooked,
It is cooked. Yeah. And yeah, I taste a little piece, and I don't like it.
yeah.
Duh.
So what we're gonna do now is get to this dog food.
It's ill, and it did not have no taste or
We're
anything.
gonna open the filet mignon. We're gonna have 3 of these in our plates.
Ugh, my hands. Ugh, my hands stink. Oh hell no! Oh my god!
Yeah. This is fun, y'all. Girl. It smell like dog. Wet dog. Smell it. Smell it. For real, just smell it.
Smell it. For real, just smell it.
Oh hell no! Oh
We don't gotta
hell!
eat it though. Alright, so we're just gonna take a little piece, put it in our bowl.
No, I think that's too much. No, no.
All you gotta do is put it in our, I got more than you.
I just-
Being nice.
No, don't be nice. Just don't give me this much.
Alright. Not yet. Oh, this is
Oh my god, this is so disrespectful. All we gotta do is put it in our mouth. We don't gotta chew it.
We have to chew it. This is the challenge. The
Oh
challenge
my
is
god.
eating
Alright, so we're
dog
just gonna
food.
chew it. Alright.
We're gonna chew it. We're gonna do this. We're gonna do this for
The
y'all.
last one.
We're gonna do
Porterhouse
this for y'all.
steak with
We're gonna do
potatoes.
this for y'all.
Alright, Brazy Mom. Like, come on now.
Alright, I'm all hype and shit right now, and then when I put the shit in, pull it up close.
It's gonna spill juices everywhere.
Mm-mm.
alright. I'm gonna get some potatoes. How to do this?
Yo, like this is like best friend. Best friend. Let me
Okay.
see.
All right.
So we're gonna move these over, and we just want to show y'all that I don't care. We're doing it. It's 3 little pieces. Ew, we got sardine juice. Ew, we got sardine juice. It got sardine juice. Ew, we got sardine juice.
This is just the beginning, man. Alright.
All right.
We're gonna try filet mignon first. Okay.
Which one is the filet mignon?
This one.
Nah.
It is because I put them in order. That's filet, this is chicken and beef, and this is the steakhouse.
Why you putting that filet mignon on my stuff? All right, come on, let's go. Y'all ready, Brazy Mom?
Alright. 1, 2, 3. Alright, for real.
All right, 1, 2, 3.
Look, I didn't even chew it. I just put it in my mouth. You just gotta put it in your mouth. See it?
Okay, I can't do this. This is not human. This is not humane.
I'm sorry, but
All right,
I think for us putting it in our mouth is good enough because I was on my tongue. It was in my mouth, so I just can't. Then we're gonna try the other one. I don't care. This is beef and chicken, right? Come on. You already tricked me into the first one.
You know, I just.
Alright, ready?
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Got your ass. Now let me do it.
I think I'm done.
We gotta do it. We gotta do the last one.
I give up. Love you, Brazy Mom.
I feel like my lashes about to come. Alright. Alright. This is potato.
I love y'all, Brazy Mom. But your girl's done. I'm done.
Come on. You can't. It's the last one. You can't give up. We can't
I'll
give up.
give up. I'll give up.
We can't give up for Brazy Mom.
No,
Come on. We're not quitters. Let's go.
Ew, come on.
Come on. Just come on. So we get this.
I can't.
Come on. Pick up that potato. Alright.
No.
This is steak.
Okay.
Alright, ready?
I'm really upset. I'm really upset right now.
1,
2,
2,
3.
3. We fried asses.
We fried. Alright guys, so we're back. I'm sorry, it got real nasty in here. Like, we dead ass really barfed. Like, I don't think I'm ever doing that again.
Never.
What about you?
Nah. Can't. It made my heart hurt.
Yeah, I don't even see how people, when we seen the challenges on other people, like, I don't even see how y'all was able to do that. Because, like, as soon as it hit my tongue, it was, like, disgusting. Like, I can't. No.
Never.
But guys, if you guys like that video and y'all want to see us do more challenges, make sure y'all put them challenges down in the DMs and all our social medias, and it's going to definitely be in the description below. Thank you guys for chilling with us with the brazy besties. And if you guys want to see more of that, just make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. We love you guys. Let's get it. Okay.
Cause I don't wanna hear no sneak dissing, especially not from one you weak bitches. I'm on go like I don't see no stoplights. I'm stepping out every day, prom night.